What if you could build profitable websites automatically without writing content, hiring freelancers, or learning SEO? That's exactly what's possible with AI Niche Site Blueprint. This program combines a simple step-by-step system with powerful AI automation, helping you create websites that attract traffic and generate income on autopilot. You'll start by using the Blueprint's proven process to uncover profitable, low competition niches, the kind where people are already searching and buying. Then the built-in AI tool called ZERP takes over, publishing optimized articles and keeping it active 24/7. It's like having a full-time content and SEO team working behind the scenes while you sleep. Once your site starts ranking, you can monetize it using affiliate offers, display ads, or pay-per-call programs, turning simple traffic into consistent commissions. So if you've been dreaming of a business that practically runs itself, AI Niche Site Blueprint gives you the roadmap and the automation to make it real. Click the link in the description to get started today and see how easy it is to let AI build your next income stream.